Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to Racecar Network. How you guys doing? Today, obviously, as you can tell, finally got my freaking car back. I found out what the problem was, why it was misfiring. You guys won't believe this. So I ordered from FCP Euro Index 12 injectors maybe 3 months ago. I probably made a video, I can't remember, but 3 months ago I ordered injectors from FCP Euro. So I'm like, that can't be the problem, right? So we're going through all these things, new spark plugs, coils, all this shit. Come to find out, cylinder 3 injector is like completely black. It's like the worst I've ever seen on any car injector. Flip it out, and now she runs like a charm. So we're gonna go out there, we're gonna be doing some rips for you guys today. I just want to let you guys know that that was the issue with the car. I cannot believe that that was the issue. It just blows my mind. That was the last thing I thought that would be wrong, just because of the fact that I just put them in. Maybe they didn't have it calibrated properly, I don't know. But so we're gonna go out there, we're gonna take some rips in the 335. I'm gonna go to my boy's house later, help him finish his valve cover. I did not shoot a video on YouTube for that. It's been cold as hell outside and our hands were freezing, so I was like, dude, I can't do this. We gotta just finish this ASAP. So yeah, if you guys have been enjoying the content, man, and if you're new here, please smash a sub, hit a like on this video. This video is about to be dope. Let me just get into the setup that I'm going for, or running right now, I guess, for all you people that don't know. Obviously the people that have been watching the channel and are here, shout out to you guys, because you guys are the fucking real ones for staying around. Finally got it fixed. So the only issue I'm having right now with this car is a really rough idle. So basically I got relocated inlets. Damn, these joints fell the fuck off. Maybe that's why it's misfiring. Look at this. Piece of shit, bro. But yeah, so we're gonna put these back on. I guess my boy didn't put them on properly. Maybe that's why it's at rough idle for right now. The air fuel ratio is a little off. So I'm gonna stick these back on really quickly. I guess I need my hands to do that. We'll go right back to you with the setup that I'm running. All right, boys, so I got them put back on properly. So I'm getting new intakes for these, obviously. I got those with my inlets. So I got MMP inlets. Just put these on. If you guys didn't see the last video, I put Precision Raceworks coils on, spark plugs and coils. What's it called? What else do I got? I got a fat intercooler in the front. I have down pipes. I got the VRSF charge pipe, tile blow off valve for all of you guys wondering. Little catch can. I'm running on MHD Stage 2 Plus right now. I'm gonna go custom tune shortly. So I'm running MHD Stage 2 Plus right now. I'm on the V5.1 E40 mixture map. What else do I got? I think that's about it. If I forgot anything, I'll mention it in the video. But we're gonna head out on the road right now. Also, the reason why this car was at my boy's place, for the main reason why I was at my boy's place, is so I could get it walnut blasted, so it's running even better when it's walnut blasted. So we're gonna get out there and rip this joint. All right, boys, so we're heading out to Mexico really quickly. So the only issue that I have, that I've found with this car currently, is fucking seatbelt. It's at idle, it's idling pretty fucking rough. I still need to update a few things on this car. I have a couple cracked, not hoses, but where the shit goes to the oil catch can, I have a little split in it, and it's spraying a little shit into that engine. So I zip tied it and have it like pulled so it doesn't leak, but it's still giving me a little bit of issues, and a couple other things. So we're gonna get this thing completely dialed in, but we're running out right now to go shoot this. And by the way, it's like 35 degrees outside, and I did a rip yesterday in this car, and it like scared the shit out of me, because I almost lost control. This thing kicks it now, guys. Like, it with the walnut blast and the new coils, I haven't been able to really run this car hard in like a little while, so it's getting it now. So it's like, in the cold, it's a little scary to drive. So we'll see how it does, man. We'll see how it does. I mean, I ain't gonna hold nothing back, but it is a little scary to drive, I will say that, especially in the cold weather, because once boost kicks in, woo! Ooh. so glad to have this thing finally figured out a little bit. I think I'm gonna do a 40 roll. I don't know, I'm gonna spin like shit, but whatever. I gotta wait for this car to go, then I'm gonna do a 40 roll. Nice little 40. I'm trying to get the speedometer for you guys. I'm using this camera. I don't know if you can see it there, but I have the clip right here, but I'm using it as a suction cup so you guys can see me. So, you know, we're gonna have to make sacrifices. I left the other suction cup at my house, so we're just having to make sacrifices. All right, yeah, this should be good right here. Yo! Oh shit. I really hope you guys can see that on the camera. Holy fuck, this bitch gets it, yo. God damn. Oh shit, dude. If that don't wake you up, then I don't know what does, tell you that much. Woo-wee! Woo! It's been so long, man. I love this fucking car. I forgot how fun it was, to be honest, because it's been so long. It's been fucking misfiring and shit for a brick. Please smash the sub on this video if you guys are new. There's gonna be hella more content like this coming out. Camaro got wrap heads cams going in next week. That's what my boy said. We're starting it next week, so stay tuned for those videos. I'm gonna do like 2 more pulls for you guys because I don't want to beat on it too hard because it's still not completely dialed in. But I just kind of want to show you guys how this thing's moving right now. And let me tell you, this thing is moving. I'll tell you what, guys, for $10,000, well, I probably spent like 15 now, but this thing puts a damn smile on your face every single time. Seriously, it's ridiculous. All right, you guys will be able to see this speedometer a little better. I have the sun on my back this time. I'll try to get some outside shots for you guys, maybe like tomorrow or something on a different video, because it's a work day for everyone. So let's see if I can just Yo! Oh shit. I'll tell you what, guys, so this is the first time I've tested this thing with Precision Raceworks coils. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's my answer. So it definitely does add horsepower 100% to this car. I'm trying to think of I was trying to tell you guys something. I'm blanking on it right now. Fuck, I completely forgot. Oh my god, I hate when this happens. You know when you're thinking about how to tell someone something and then you just completely forget? So when I go upgraded twins, the reason I love stock turbos is because it's super torquey down low. And I know that at least my boy who has upgraded twins said that he loves my car because it's so torquey down low. It's super fun to drive. His car has more up top than mine, obviously, but the stock turbos have the super torquey down low, and it's a blast, let me tell you. Oh man, need to go rip it a little more. God, I miss this thing, dude. God, I miss this thing. I'm gonna try to get some outside shots here. I just don't know where I can do that. It's just, this is so much different than my Camaro. It's ridiculous. That's actually why I like having both of them, because like the thing is, like, they both make very good power, right? So but they deliver the power so much differently, if that makes sense. Obviously, turbo lag and all that stuff. I wasn't brake boosting on the last one either. I was just kind of getting into it. Because like I said, it is 35 degrees outside, and if I brake boost, oh man. Yesterday when I took off, I was shook. I was like, what the fuck? So yeah, I think I'm gonna hop on the freeway for you guys really quickly in Mexico and do one more pull. Please smash the sub. I know I've already said that, but please smash the sub if you guys are new. We're growing this channel. We're getting to 10,000. The content's gonna be flying this year. I told everyone that was subscribed before the beginning, or before. I told everyone that was subscribed before the beginning of this year that this year would be a huge year for this channel, and I promise you guys it will be. I got tons of stuff. If you haven't checked out last video, I just wanted to let you guys know, go check that shit out. It's a dope video. It's my boy dirt biking, but like, even if you're not into dirt biking, it's still a sick edit. If you are into dirt biking, that's dope for you guys, because then that's a positive, that's an extra positive right there. He shreds the fucking thing, guys. So go check out that edit. I by far the best video edit I've done on this channel, 100% hands down. It took me hours to edit, so I definitely want you guys to check that out. It's sick. We're gonna hop on the freeway right now, do one more pull for you guys. Next video, I think I'm gonna go out and do some rips in the Camaro. Like I said, it's getting heads cam put on next week, so I'm not gonna have it for a little while, but I am gonna be trying to shoot the installment of the heads cam just for you guys if anyone wants to do it in the future. We're trying to debate. If any of you guys know the answer to this question, I know these is a 335 video, so you probably won't, but is it easier to pull the whole block out of the engine or just take the bumper off for the heads cam part? Because I got a whole new heads, so I got to take off all the heads and put them back on. So whatever you guys think would be easier, please let me know if you guys have any knowledge on that. I got to do a little bit of research, but yeah, we're gonna knock this thing out next week. The tuner, I still don't know who I'm getting tuned by yet. I'm gonna keep that a secret. So it's weird because this car idles like really rough, but then once it gets going, it's running perfectly fine. So I don't understand why it's doing that. I'll do a 40. I mean a 60. I mean a 60. Alright guys, so my camera cut off there at the end. That's gonna wrap up today's video. What I was saying right when the camera cut off though is I'm saying I swear to God this car is faster than the Camaro right now. I seriously believe that. It blows my mind every time I hop in. But next week, Camaro's got it, easy. So I'll catch you guys next video. Peace out. I hope you guys enjoyed that, man. Let me know what you guys want to see on this channel content-wise. It gives me ideas. I appreciate every single one that comments on it. Peace out, guys. See you next video.